Hello and welcome to Channel 69 News. Today I will be reporting on a new suspect doing some outrageous crimes.
I saw the guy I wanted to catch it, buy my chicken nugget. I pulled my water out, get to get a cat. He walked past me. He scared me. Ain't nobody got time for that. And see a butterfly? I saw the guy when I wouldn't catch it. I buy my chicken nugget. He walked past me. He looked like the guy who did the internet scandal to me. That's why I'm homeless and I have no face.
How are you talking?
I have no face. I'm talking out of my anus.
Oh, okay.
See ya.
This is Veronica Stevens reporting, and we are currently at the suspect's house as the information we received from No Face Nigel was quite pointless and not helpful at all. Let's go investigate. Shit, he's here. Quick run.
What are you doing in my house?
I'm not in your house, I'm in your backyard.
What are you doing in my backyard?
Investigating.
Investigating what? What have I done?
Your crimes.
Crimes. I'm your
Internet.
next door neighbour.
Internet hacking.
What? I don't even have the internet.
Really?
Yes. I didn't even have a computer. My grandson has one. He plays that Minecraft shitty game. Faggot.
Our search for the criminal is now over. It turns out that taking instructions from No Face Nigel on the back of the KFC receipt is not the best way to take an investigation. Good night. Veronica Stevens out.
Could you please get out of my house?
No, mate. No.
I'll make you.
No, you won't, mate. Bring it.